Welcome to the Herbal Laws channel here on YouTube. Hello everyone, I am Rosemary and I'm here to share with you the importance of plants in providing oxygen and supporting biodiversity. That's right, Rosemary. We herb plants play a crucial role in providing oxygen through photosynthesis. Without us, humans and animals wouldn't be able to breathe. And let's not forget about all the insects and birds that rely on plants for food and shelter. We plant may be small, but we are vital to the ecosystem. Absolutely. Biodiversity is key to a healthy environment, and we plants play a huge part in maintaining that balance. We provide for all sorts of creatures, from tiny bugs to majestic birds. So next time you take a deep breath of fresh air, remember to thank us plant for our hard work in keeping the planet green and striving.